So here's my outdoor condensers. We'll pull both of these off wall racks, cut the wall racks off of the wall. We'll hang new wall racks on the wall there on the onto the foundation. New disconnects, new electrical whips, and then we'll re-insulate the refrigerant lines on both of these. It is a walkout basement, quite a steep hill here to get up for the backyard, but we should be able to wheel our furnace right down to the basement so we don't have to worry about tracking through the finished part of the house. That should be everything. All right guys, we're at Stan's house. We are going to do a replacement of two systems here. The system on the right is for the first floor. The system on the left, looking at the back side of it, is for the second floor. For both of these systems, there's going to be some shifts that are going to have to be made. The return drop for the first floor system, it goes straight up into the panning up there. You can see there's a couple transitions. So it transitions 45 degrees out this way and down. And the other side is the same. So I'm thinking for that return, we may be able to take this T here. There's a elbow there on the bottom. We might be able to turn that T a little bit closer, you know, to face it away from the furnaces, so we can expand that return drop. If not, we'll just make it a little bit wider there, up there on the top, and maybe do a 10-inch rather than an 8-inch, but keep all the transitions exactly the same as they are now. We'll run down to the ground, and then we're going to bump that out 5 inches or so, 5 to 6 inches closer to that wall in order to put our 5-inch media cabinet in, because we're going to have to go with a bigger furnace, a B-width furnace on this one, with a B-width coil. So then we'll have to transition that B-width coil up into the ductwork here. So both of these furnaces are going to be upsized to B-width. This return will be easy. We can just move this whole system over to the right if we need to. We could actually move everything over to the right, both systems, and build a transition, 2 identical transitions up into the ductwork, angled 45 degrees to the left and then up. Return drop on this one will get replaced. We'll do a 5-inch media cabinet down there for the second floor system. Refrigerant lines are just going to get flushed. They run from here up to the ceiling, and then across the ceiling they run right outside there. There's a wall rack for each unit that they're sitting on. All my drain lines run right down to the floor drain in front of the furnaces. All the gas lines are copper or black iron. We should be able to reuse that stuff. 4-inch flue pipe up to this swivel T here. That's a 6-inch swivel T. So we just got to replace this bottom portion of the swivel T, and then we may have to replace a little bit of the 4-inch on this water heater if we're going to be moving stuff around. Let's see here. Breaker panels over in the corner. It's a Siemens load center, and we have 2 double 30-amp breakers for both systems. And everything's marked here. This is fairly new construction. But that should be everything on the inside. My next video will be of the outdoor units.